SDS ಸಂಘದ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಈತನು 98% ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 11ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈತನಿಗೆ ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ ಎಬಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. SDS ಸಂಘವು ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದರ್ಶನ ಪಡೆದಂತ ಈ ಸುಸಂದೇಶ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ತಂದೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ತಾಯಿ ಕವಿತಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಓಂಕಾರ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ವೈನಿ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ಓಂಕಾರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಮಗಳು ಬಿಹಾ ಓಂಕಾರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಇವರ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಈತನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಟೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ UPSC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ತೇಜ್ ಪರ್ವ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ.
Good evening, sir. Myself Karthik Mahesh Patil. I was studying in SDVS Science PU College in Sankeshwar, and my native is Kannagala. And I passed my second year from SDVS College in the year 2024. The examination was held from 1st March to 24th March, and the result came at 10th April. And I was unknown about the result, and I was somewhere else. My brother called me that result came, and I got to know that I secured 98%, that is 588 out of 600 marks. And I was very happy at that time. This effort was also made by the teachers. I went to the college saying, ma'am, I have got this 588, 98% marks in the second PUC. And there I came to know that my teachers told me that I have secured 11th rank in the entire Karnataka state and first place in my college and in Sankeshwara. And secondly, sir, I took my coaching from none classes and all. I just studied from my college and home. I used to do self-study, and elsewhere my teachers also supported me very well. Further else, my teachers, like my principal ma'am special mentioned, is she gives a good guidance. Anytime when I need help of her, I used to call her even at the 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Whatever will be the time, she never used to matter. She always used to help me. And secondly, I would like to mention my chemistry HOD sir, SS Magdevar sir. He is the godfather of mine, as I think. Whenever I got in problem, he was the one stood behind me. I always liked his presence, and he was the one who took out me out of all the problems. And now wherever I am here, all thing is because of just my parents and my teachers. This is all thing because of my parents and my teachers. And I never used to go for coachings and all. Actually, my study time was from 8:30 to 4:30. Teacher insisted me to come at the morning classes, which are held at SDVS only, because from 5:30 to evening 8:30. So we are so lucky to we have studied in SDVS PU College, and I'm so lucky especially that I have got such a teachers of my physics teaching faculty and chemistry teaching faculty, math. They all were used to teach me. They were all used to stand first to clear all my doubts regarding JEE as well as CET. I was very thankful to them, and secondly, I am very thankful to my family also, because financially and morally they have supported me. Because when I went to take the examination, or when I went to give the examination, my dad or my brother used to drop me. Both of them used to tell the same thing: Karthik, we don't need any marks, anything. You just go free-mindedly and just enjoy the paper and write the paper. They never forced me that I want 98%, I want 100%. This is just because of my parents I could reach here. The secondary target after achieving 12th standard with 98% is I will pursue my degree in BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology. With these grades, this is required for graduation, and further I will attempt for competitive exams such as UPSC and other exams. And my primary target is to attain UPSC with rank below 100, and for that I need graduation and from science background. And being a CS student, I will take BTech as my career option, because if even in the cases if I could not crack UPSC, I would be having a secure job in BTech.
Myself, Mahesh Patil, father of Karthik. Whatever Karthik has scored 98% marks in SDVS College, PU College, Sankeshwar. Really, I am proud of him. But actually, I would like to give a special credit to his professors especially Principal Sarvamangala Madam, A.B. Patil sir, other supportive staff and administrative staff, because whatever way they have cooperated him by going beyond limitations. Whenever he was facing any problem, he used to call them in our absence after even 8:30, 9:30, but they were never refusing his call and other thing. Whatever doubts he was raising, those they have cleared at that particular time. So whatever success he has achieved right now, that credit goes to his professors and other supportive staff and administrative members. One more thing I would like to mention here. My daughter is an ex-student of that college. She has studied BSc in that college, and she has scored even during her college tenure. She scored 150 out of 150 in mathematics. And after completion of BSc, she got a job in IT field. And after going to IT field, she has completed MS. And now she is a production engineer in the Wipro International. So whatever this achievement she has done so far, that is also due to the that credit also I would like to give to that college, especially whatever culture that college has maintained by A.B. Patil sir and Principal Madam. Really, that time I decided that after seeing her performance and college support, when Karthik was studying in Maharashtra, that time I decided to seek admission to this college, and I transferred his admission from Maharashtra Sangli to Sankeshwar College just because of the culture of this college. And that college has now proved really, because this is an outcome, whatever he has 98% score in science faculty, the college has proved its performance and dedication. So thank you once again to all the faculty members.
हॅलो, नमस्कार, माझं नाव कविता महेश पाटील, कार्तिक महेश पाटीलांची मम्मी. आणि माझ्या मुलग्यानं 2024मध्ये संकेश्वर PU कॉलेजला 98% मार्क्स मिळून कॉलेजमध्ये पहिला नंबर घेतला आहे. म्हणजे कॉलेजमध्ये पहिला आला आहे तो. आणि कर्नाटक स्टेटमध्ये 11th रँकला तो आल्यामुळे मला खूप खूप आनंद होत आहे. त्याला स्टडीसाठी मी म्हणजे असं कोचिंग वगैरे काय स्पेशली लावलेलं नव्हतं. आणि कॉलेजच्या ह्याच्यामध्येच तो कोचिंग पण शिकवत होते. त्या कॉलेजचे स्टाफ मेंबर, टीचर्स, सर्स, इवन मॅगडे सर वगैरे सगळेजण त्याला प्रोत्साहन केले. त्याला ज्या वेळेला डिफिकल्टीज आली त्या वेळेला त्यांनी सगळ्यांनी त्याला सपोर्ट केले, गाईड्स चांगलं केले. यरगट्टी मॅडमनी सुद्धा त्याला चांगलं गाईड केले. त्याच्यामुळे तो या पदापर्यंत येऊन पोचला. आणि आज आम्ही घरात फार वातावरण खुशीचं आहे आमच्या.